choreographed by Kate Sala. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner level line dance with 3 tags. Tag 1 is going to happen on the ends of walls 4 and 8, and tag 2 will happen on the end of wall 10. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about all 3 tags, and then we're going to go around and dance 11 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn chickens. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to walk forward with a kick, step our right foot forward, left foot forward, right foot forward, and you're going to kick your left foot low and forward. We're now going to step back with our left, and we're going to touch our right next to our left. As we touch, we're going to clap our hands. We're going to step back with our right, touch our left next to our right, and as we touch, we're going to clap. Let's try that with some counts, walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, you're going to do a grapevine to the left, step your left foot to the side, right foot behind, left side, touch right next to left. You're going to point your right toe to the right side, step your right next to your left, point your left toe to the left side, step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. Let's try that with some counts. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to do a grapevine to the right with a step together. Step your right foot to the side, left foot behind, right side. Step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to do 2 1/8 pivots. You're going to step your right foot slightly forward. You're going to pivot a 1/8 turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 10-30. We're going to repeat that, stepping our right foot slightly forward. You're going to make that 1/8 pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Let's try that with some counts. Grapevine step together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box, crossing our right over our left. Step back with your left, step your right foot to the side, and step your left next to your right. We're now going to take our right heel, place it forward. You're going to touch your right toe back, and then we're going to do a kickball change, kicking our right foot low and forward. Step your right next to your left, step your left next to your right. And that is the end of the dance. So let's try that with some counts. Jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weights on your left foot. You're starting with your walk forward. Walk, 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 kick, back, touch and clap, back, touch and clap. Grapevine to the left. Point, step, grapevine with a step together. Step 8 pivot, jazz box. Heel, heel, toe, kickball change. Let's try it with counts. Weights on that left foot, you're walking forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's talk about the first 2 tags that happen on the ends of walls 4 and 8. 4 and 8 will be your 3 o'clock facing wall. You will dance the full 32 counts, bringing you back to 12 o'clock. And you will dance all the way through, including your kickball change. We're going to add on a 6 count tag, which is just the first 6 counts of section 4. So you're going to do your jazz box with your heel toe, and that will be your tag on the ends of walls 4 and 8. So we're crossing over, cross over, back, side, step, heel, toe. And then you will start the dance all over again with your walk forward and kick. So let's just try that tag with some counts. We would have just done our kickball change. You're doing your jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you'll start the dance over again on walls 4 and 8. Now, the tag on wall 10, you'll be facing the back wall. You will dance the full 32 counts of wall 10. So you'll be facing the back wall. What we're going to do is cross our right over our left, and you're going to hold. We're now going to do a slow unwind over our left shoulder for 8 counts. So our cross is 1, you hold for 2, and then we're going to unwind very slowly for 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you get to that 8th count, you're going to be back to the 6 o'clock facing wall, and then you're going to start the dance all over again. When you start the dance, you want to start your step when she's saying chickens. That will help with some timing. So let's practice that tag with some counts. You're crossing over. It's 1, hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to make sure your weight is on your left foot, and then you'll start with your walk with a kick. So now let's go around. We're going to do 11 walls of the dance so that you can practice the transitions between all of the restarts. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will do counts. When we do the tag, the first time we do the 6 count tag, I will do steps. The second time we'll have counts, and we'll just do counts and steps for that back wall one. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your walk. Walk with a kick. Back touch and clap. Back touch and clap. Grapevine with a touch. Point, step, grapevine, step together. Step 8th pivot, jazz box. Heel, toe, kick, ball, change, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk with a kick. Back touch and clap, grapevine with a touch. Point, step, grapevine, step together. Step 8th pivot, jazz box. Heel, toe, kick, ball, change, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Do your tag, jazz box. Cross, back, side step, heel, toe, start over. This is wall 5. Walk with a kick. Back touch and clap. Grapevine with a touch. Point steps. Grapevine step together. Step 1/8 pivot, jazz box. Heel, toe, kick, ball, change, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Walk with a kick. Back touch and clap. Grapevine with a touch. Point step. Grapevine step together. 1/8 pivot, jazz box. Heel, toe, kick, ball, change. This will be your next tag wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Walk it forward. Walk with a kick. Back touch and clap. Grapevine with a touch. Point steps. Grapevine step together. Step 8 pivot. Jazz box. Heel, toe, kick, ball, change. Now, this is wall 10. When we finish it, we're going to do our cross, hold, and unwind. Walk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to cross, hold for 2, unwind 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk with a kick. Back touch and clap. Grapevine with a touch. Point steps. Grapevine step together. Now your pivots. Jazz box. Heel toe. Kick, ball, change. And that is the whole dance. After that, you'll dance a few more walls and you don't have to worry about an ending. I like to turn to the front, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So now that you've gotten the dance down, Go to the end of this video and practice with a rear-facing demo so that you can master the dance all on your own before rocking it on a dance floor near you. I hope this helps you learn chickens. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.